Hey, hi. In this video, I will show you how you can set up a new GitHub repository, and inside that GitHub repository, how you can configure your codes, and how can you configure the new GitHub actions, and how can you set your secrets inside the settings, so etc. etc. Okay, so in this demo, I will just briefly show you that. Okay, and to know more about how you can create your new GitHub account and how you set up your all the required tools and setups in your laptop, please do watch my previous videos where I have explained everything on this. Okay, and along with that, so please do watch my other videos and also subscribe my channel. Okay, that would really encourage me a lot. With that, let's get started to this demo. Okay, so to create a new repository in the GitHub, just go to your profile here, click on the profile, and inside the profile you just click on your repositories. Okay, so once you click on that button repository, it will land you to here. Okay, so here you will see that there is a new button. Okay, so once you click on this new button, that will direct you to a page where you can create a new repository. Okay, so for this demo, let me give a name. So quick repo. Okay, so let me give a name called quick repo, and inside that the description, provide your description. I will just give a test, and the access. Okay, that is the accessibility of this repo, so whether it is a public or private, I will choose, and I will recommend you to choose as a private. Okay, and after that, initialize this repository with some files. Okay, whether you want to add a readme file or github ignore file, etc., etc. Okay, so let me keep these two. Okay, so let me just keep only readme. Okay, with that, that's it. Okay, it's a very straightforward way to create a new repo inside the GitHub. Okay, once you are done with your feeding your data here, just click on the button create. It will create in a 1 minute. Okay, it's very quick. It will just create a repo, new repo for you. Here you go. It got created. Okay, so as you see here, so new repo with a name called quick repo got created with accessibility private. Okay, so inside this quick repo, by default, GitHub will create a main branch, that is the default branch for you. Inside that branch, we have readme.md file. Okay, so this is how the repo will look in. Okay, and currently you are in the main branch, and we have only one branch. Okay, and with that, so here, if you click on the button, go to the files, so it will land you into this same page only. And if you want to add some files and folders directly, you can do it by using this button. Okay, and one more thing is, let's say you have a repo, GitHub repo. If you want to clone the repo, just copy this link. Okay, copy this link, or use the other method like SSH method, GitHub CLIs. Okay, so generally it would be like HTTP methods. Okay, where you copy your clone URL, and you will copy from the Visual Studio Code. Okay, yeah. So that's about the basic about the code. Okay, and with that, let's go to the actions. Okay, so as you know that the GitHub action is the new capability from GitHub, which will provide you CI/CD capabilities, that is continuous integration and continuous deployment capability. That is the in-house tool from GitHub. Okay, so once you click on this GitHub, you will see these many options. Okay, by default, GitHub has its own standard workflows. Okay, workflows per each use cases. Okay, use cases in my so deploying the node.js application is a one workflow use case. Okay, so likewise, deploy an Amazon ECS instance. Okay, that is has one workflow template. Okay, similarly, there are multiple templates like this. Okay, so in this case, I'm interested to create and to show you how you can set up the GitHub action workflow for Terraform. Okay, because my videos are mainly focusing on infrastructure as a code methodologies. Okay, to provision the infrastructure. Okay, so once you click on that template of workflow, okay, so you will land in this page. Okay, so by default, it will this page is self-explanatory. It will tell everything to you. Okay, so with that, just give if you want to keep the name as it is, just keep it, or else if you want to change it, change the name so it is editable. Once you are done with it, just click on start start commit. Okay, so that it will commit this page into your quick repo, or the repo just now we have created. Okay, so as you see here, why it said commit is because that file comes and sits in the same repo. Okay, same repo that is in the main branch itself. Okay, so as you see here, so all the GitHub action related file will be sitting under .github /workflows Okay, so under that only all the files will be sitting. Okay, so this is like a definition. Okay, this is like a definition file which you will tell the GitHub Actions to perform certain actions. Okay, when you are done with the certain task on your repo, like when you are done with the push activity, or when you are done with the pull request activity, when once you created the pull request, or once you are done with the push task. Okay, so such kind of scenarios. Okay. Yeah, so this is just a brief about how you can set up your workflow. Okay, whereas in details. Okay, so I will be explaining in the next videos in this in regards to this file. Okay, how you can configure these files and how do you provide this data. Okay, in regards to that, I will be explaining in the next videos. Please do watch my next videos as well. Okay. So with that, that's all about actions. Okay, that is GitHub Actions. So let me tell you. So you can ignore about. Okay, for now you can ignore about projects, security, and light insights. Okay, whereas I would really encourage you to go and explore in these in regards to these features of GitHub. Okay. So now finally let me show you inside the settings. Okay, settings is where you do all the required configurations of your this GitHub repo. Okay, so mainly inside the settings we will be dealing with your secrets. Okay, because to do your project, okay, to do your infrastructure as a code project, or to do your any kind of DevOps projects, you would be definitely requiring some variables or some secrets, okay, which needs to be stored. Okay, so that you can do it here. Okay, so there is a inside the settings we have a separate feature called secret. Okay, separate feature called secrets, on which you can store your secrets in the format of encrypted options. Okay, they will be keeping your secrets in the format of in the encrypted options. Okay, in the okay, so let me show you one as an example. Okay, so as you once you click on the secret button, you will be redirected to here. Okay, so there will be one more new button, that is to create a secret. Okay, so let me type my test. So let me just give a one name, that is test one. So okay, my secret name is test one, and I will just give some number. Okay, so that is the value, let's say. Okay, so once you provide, so this is nothing but your name of your secret, and this is the actual value of secret. Let's say the your application ID. Okay, let's say I'm going to say the Azure SPN ID. So you will be giving your SPN name and the name and the ID of that SPN. That is SPN ID equal to what is the value of your SPN. So you will be giving here. Similarly, you can store your SPN secret, your subscription ID, your tenant ID can be stored here. Okay. So with that, just click on the button add secret. So that will be okay, it says failed to add the secret because the name is invalidated. Okay, so it follows its own standard. Okay, I cannot give the hyphen. Okay, that's the reason it got failed. So let me give something like this. Okay, underscore one. Okay, underscore one. So it should be successful now. Okay, yeah. So yeah, here it is. So see, it says the secret is added. So similarly, you need to add your all the required secrets which you will be using in the GitHub Actions or in your code. Okay, so those secrets needs to be stored here. Okay, so these we will be using in the GitHub Actions. That's all. Okay, that's all about that's these are the basic requirements which you need to know to just to start working on the GitHub Actions. Okay, that's the reason I have made this video, and I'm dedicating this video to make you understand. So in regards to the GitHub Actions task. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's a very straightforward way. Okay, whereas other properties. Okay, whereas in regards to other properties, I would encourage you to explore yourself. Okay, and there are the multiple and are plenty of documents available in the internet where you can go and explore in regards to this one. Okay, whereas the features and the parts of this repo which I have explained, like code, actions, and the settings. Okay, these are the basic requirements which are needed for you to just start your work on the using the GitHub Actions. Okay, that's it. So that's all about this quick video, and thank you for watching my videos. Once again, please do subscribe my channel, which would really encourage me a lot. Thank you. Thanks a lot.